What's up, Rebels? This is Ed from Rebels Reptiles and Games. It is 7:10 in the morning, and Blue Eyes calls me, and she says she's at work, and she calls me and she says, "Hey, can you see if they have the new Frankenstein NECA figure at Walmart?" I guess Walmart's have been getting them. They just came out. She's really on the hunt for it. Well, I'm really on the hunt for it. So I'm gonna hit these two local Walmarts. It's probably gonna be a pretty quick video. Let's see if Air Max, my buddy Air Max, is right. If the early bird gets the worm or not. So let's see. Wow, empty pegs. Empty pegs, guys. Kind of neat. Man, empty. They do have boxes out, so I'm gonna have to come back here later. Here are the pops. Alright, guys, let's go see what's on toys. Oh no, Walmart is looking pretty dry, guys. Pretty dry. Wow, no Legends. Random Tony Hawk skateboard. No McFarlane's. Woody, are we gonna find anything here, buddy? Doubt it. Well, shoot. Yep, I'm not seeing anything, guys. I think I left the house really early for no reason. It's okay. I think I'm going to hit one more Walmart. They do have Skeletor and He-Man. But yeah, I think I hit one more Walmart here locally in my town. And see if they have them. Never seen this one. This one's kind of cool. Well, look what's in this box, guys. Check this out. Willy Wonka. Star Trek. That one there's awesome. Let's see here. It. Phantom of the Opera. Exorcist. Man, pretty sweet. Well, Rebels, I guess this trip was worth it. I got 3 of these figures. I have to show them to you guys. They're pretty sweet. They are pretty sweet. They're all for Blue Eyes. They had a box in electronics. Your boy Rebels opened it up. Rebels no rules. I'm gonna check one more Walmart, see if I can find this Frankenstein for her. Rebels. We are at my second local Walmart. The hunt for Frankenstein continues. I'm tired this morning, but you know what? Man, Blue Eyes is at work right now. This is my day off, and when you've got a wife that's also a hunter, it's nonstop on weekends. So let's see what they've got in here. Here we go, Rebels. Let's see. Aliens. Man, they don't have no NECA. Holy crap. Let's see here. Deadpool Pops. Star Trek. That's kind of cool. Yeah, I don't see him here. Oh, that's hilarious. Look at that, you guys. Construction worker Deadpool. Great. Gummy bears. Remember those as a child. That's pretty cool. Bouncing here and there and everywhere. We are the gummy bears. Yes. Okay, guys. Let's go look at toys, see what they have. Another little end cap. These are pretty cool. That's a cool Godzilla, and this is the only a Walmart blue one. Man, he's sweet looking. That's kind of cool, and it looks like they're starting to sell more comics now. That's kind of cool too. Okay, guys, the hunt continues. Let's see what we've got over here in toys. Got some Jurassic Park. Let's see. Kong. Godzilla. Godzilla. My favorite right here, Mr. Winwoo. Man, I don't see anything, guys. It's dry. It is dry. Woody, we gonna find anything? Probably not, buddy. Don't see nothing. Yep. I see some Beyblade. I see some He-Man and Skeletor. Slash. Random slash. Pissed off Jeff Hardy. Finn looks a little upset as well. That's it. Rebels. This Walmart had nothing. Nothing. This Walmart was super dry. So I'm going to switch it up. I'm going to head to one Target, and then I've got to be back home because my grandkids are dropped off this morning at 10 a.m. And I've got to watch them. So I'll see you guys at Target. Rebels. We're here at a Target. Let's see what they have. Maybe I can find that Frankenstein. Maybe I can find that Lady Deathstrike for the Marvel Villains Wave that Blue Eyes needs. Or maybe some of those Marvel Disney Plus figures that we still need. Let's see what they've got in here. Wow. Rebels, can you believe that? They had a bunch of Major Blood. I cannot believe it. I'm definitely picking up one for sure. Let's see what else they have. No Marvel Legends. Except for the Shang-Chi. A little bit of the Shang-Chi. Not even a Winwoo. They do have my homeboy Otis. Baby Yoda. Skeletor and He-Man. Alright guys, let's see what NECA has. They have Coraline. That's kind of a cool Coraline too. Some turtles. Some pops. Nothing that I'm after.
Okay. Well, let me tell you about this one right now. Okay.
Slipknot. That's new. Kind of cool. Like seeing new stuff. Yeah, young Frankenstein. Well, guys, that's going to end this little hunt. I did find some Major Blood for a buddy of mine that I'm going to send to him. And that's all I found, really, but it was a fun little hunt. And when I get home, I'll show you guys what I picked up. Rebels. Look at what we picked up. So, found another Major Blood. Cannot believe it. I'm giving it to a good friend of mine. You know who you are. And also, picked these up for Blue Eyes. It was an early morning hunt. Dracula. Christopher Lee Dracula. Pretty freaking cool. Right? She loves these old horror movie things. She really loves them. And then another It. Check out this It, where his face is all burned up. Is that freaking sweet? It's another It. And Phantom of the Opera. Check that out. So it's a different one. It's Phantom of the Opera, Massacre of the Red Death. There's a picture from the actual movie. So that's it, guys. That's all I picked up. But I'd just like to thank you all for watching my channel. I love you all. I appreciate you all. Thank you all for supporting me. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Please hit that like button right there. Until next time, have fun collecting. And I'll try to do another hunt video this weekend. We'll see what happens. I appreciate you all. Thank you.